Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I am back with a design I did a long time ago and I called it Botanical Illustrations. And the reason I called it Botanical Illustrations is because I did a transfer of botanical gorgeousness onto the exterior of this vase. And then I shared that once you get your botanicals into it, you can have a design that is just going to be standalone and look gorgeous all year round because everything in here is artificial. I think the first time I did it, I put green cymbidium orchids into it, and then for Christmas here at my place, I put some red, I think Phalaenopsis orchids into it, and it was just gorgeous. Well, Easter's not that far away, and I was looking at this design thinking, how could I quickly turn this into Easter? Easter, what flowers? Lilies is what I associate with Easter. So watch this. Watch this. I've got some lovely artificial calla lilies. You could use fresh or you could use artificial, whatever you have on hand. Ta-da! It's done. It's an arrangement. Once the base is in, it just keeps giving and loving, and I think that this is clever designing. I absolutely love it. I hope that this has given you a little bit of inspiration for something that you can do at your home where you don't have much time and you don't want any fuss, but you want something looking great. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. See you again another day.